You shouldn't tell the truth if you're gonna get in trouble. If you're gay, you better not be in a football huddle. If you're alive, you better not be dead. If you're asleep, you better be in my bed. 'Cause